Hello. In this video, you will come to know how to install the Turbo C++. First of all, you have to open your browser and then search Turbo C++ in your search bar, and there you will find a site as developer inside, and you have to click on that, and on opening that site you will be able to see a text as Download Turbo C++. You have to click on that blue button showing download option, and you will see that your file will start downloading. After downloading, you have to open that file, and remember that this file will be a zip file which you have to extract. Here I don't need to extract as I have extracted it earlier. Now on opening that file you will see two setup options, but you have to open the one which has application type, and then the installation process will start. Now wait for few seconds. You have to click next here, and you will have to accept the terms and conditions, and then next, and here click install and wait a moment, and your installation process will be completed in a little bit. And here you will have to click on finish, and after that you will be redirected to the Turbo C++ application. And here tick the options as your convenience, and then click on Start Turbo C++. Now you can navigate Turbo C++. On double-clicking, your full screen will get open. Now it's all yours. You well know how much harder we work to provide you with these contents, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.